Hello! In this video I will show you how to install the stand on an LG OLED C1. First step is to assemble the two parts of the stand together. The package contains 7 screws, which are all the same. 3 screws go into the bottom plate to fixate the metal front plate. Now slide the stand into the recess at the back of the TV. Do not push the stand all to the end, but pull it slightly back towards you, let it fall into place. Use the other 4 screws to fasten the stand on the TV. Always use all 7 screws. If not, the TV may fall from its stand. Finally, install the cover plate and you are done.